Things your eyes can tell about your health. From time to time, everyone experiences unpleasant sensations in their eyes. For most of us, a good rest and sound sleep are enough to restore vision, but there are also some signs that cannot be ignored. Here are some things your eyes can tell you about your health. 1. White spots on the cornea of the eye. This is a fairly common phenomenon among people who wear contact lenses, and may be a sign of a corneal infection. Even small eye injuries caused by wearing contact lenses can lead to such an infection, and then to a corneral ulcer. People who wear lenses with an expired shelf life or daily contact lenses for a long time are particularly at risk. 2. A white circle around the iris of the eye. Most often it's a sign of aging, which isn't a reason to worry. But if you're far from retirement age, a white circle around the iris can signify high cholesterol and triglycerides levels, which often means an increased risk of a heart attack or stroke. 3. Red eyes. The cause of red eyes may be insufficient sleep, prolonged work, or exposure to wind or sun. If the eyes redden without special reason, it may signify such diseases as increased intraocular pressure, glaucoma, high intracranial pressure, and diabetes. 4. Swollen red eyes. This is a consequence of fatigue and lack of sleep, and is often mistaken for a sign of infection. Such a symptom can also appear in lovers of eye drops with a whitening effect. Their long-term use can do more harm than good.
If you're enjoying, like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps my work a lot. And don't forget to activate the bell to receive all notifications. Thanks.
5. Involuntary tears. It sounds a little paradoxical, but involuntary tears can be a sign of a dry eye. Thus the eye tries to make up for the lack of moisture. This phenomenon is common among those who spend a lot of time at the computer or in front of the TV. 6. Disappearing image in the visual field. If from time to time you notice an image disappearing from certain areas of your visual field, this is a sign of an eye migraine. It can be accompanied by headaches due to cerebral circulatory disorders. An eye migraine is harmless. There's no precise explanation of its occurrence, and there are no methods of treatment. 7. Blurred vision. Myopia isn't the only reason for blurred vision, it can be a sign of diabetes. If, in addition to blurred vision, you notice glares and halos around the light sources, this may indicate cataracts of partial or complete opacification of the lens of the eye. 8. Yellow eye whites. Most often, the cause lies in the decrease in the functionality of the liver and bile ducts. Yellowness may become the main symptom of hepatitis.
If you liked the video, save it to your phone and share it with your friends. And for more curiosity about the human body, subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video.